Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It is your one and only Lady Jackson bringing you this particular entertainment Big Brother Naija Season 8 All Stars 2023 as a day hot. Now, of course, you guys must know something. Every time I say this, when you watch my videos, get to watch it to the end so that it gets to give you the full dose of the gossip that you've been seeking. Because, you know, your girl, I ain't gonna be here to joke. So, of course, before we get right into the video of right now, right? Have you voted for your favorites? Because it's going to shock you if you don't. Your favorites are up for eviction aside 3 people. I think that's Angel, Kidwire, and Somadina. So every other person is up for eviction. So make sure you voted. I was expecting, a lot of good juicy time tonight, but of course, let me get into the new twist that Big Brother brought into the house. Now, congratulations to the housemates who got to win their wager task, and I must say, from the opening hosting by some of the housemates to the I think the opening was done by Sheyi and one other housemate who I felt was boring. I cannot remember, but it's a guy. And then down to the comedy session of WhiteMoney and Frodd, which was quite entertaining. And then to the dance of the other 3 housemates, that is what are their names? That is they're not 3. There's Pere, there's Tolaniba, there was Neil, and then there was Alex Unusual. It was really nice. In the long run, they won their wager tax, and I must say, they would have suffered next week. Now, Big Brother brought a new twist to the show, and it is the Biggies Parrot. Now, this parrot was installed into Biggie's house, to listen to all the gossip side by side and to cause more chaos, to cause more drama, to cause more entertainment. This parrot will be occasionally exposing the housemates, the statements of the housemates, which would lead to further exposure of whom might have had that gossip, right? So this particular night, after it was installed in the lounge, small time we started hearing quick. How I make my money is that I pimp some Big Brother ex-housemate girls to big boys. They have their fun and I make my money. That's what I do. I come around and I was expecting it to get to the point of saying, I've enjoyed all the celebrities in Nigeria and stuff. I don't chop Nigeria celebrities because we obviously know whom this parrot is referring to. None other than Ike. Ike the loudmouth, who was gossiping with the guys some days ago, almost 5 days ago, and was telling them how he used to pimp Nigerian big girls, Nigerian celebrity girls, especially Big Brother ex-housemates, to Nigerian big boys, and when they're done having their fun, he gets his own money in large chunks. That's how he makes his money. He is a pimp, and I'm waiting to see how he gets on, because he pointed out that Venita knows how many times she had called him. Now, the housemates ran to this parrot to listen. And I think Adekunle and one other housemate said, "Oh, I know who this is, who made this statement." I cannot wait for them to expose him and all the drama and basketballs that's going to be happening in this house. Now, guys, if you're new to my channel, don't you dare forget to subscribe. Click on the bell button for notification on every post I make. Don't forget to share your comments down below and also share this video, because I'm going to see you on the next one. Ciao.